Hello everyone, before we get started, please make sure to subscribe. It does help out the channel a lot. Now, a lot of you guys are worried about Bitcoin. Let's talk about what's been going on here. Just to get started, we do have a daily chart here with a Gann fan on the top and a Gann fan on the bottom. It's been pretty useful over here. Bitcoin right now is bearish because of this head and shoulders pattern right here, guys. So we've got a shoulder, a head with a double top on top of that head, and then you have right here another shoulder. The neckline for this shoulder, which we really don't want to fall down below, is going to be down here at 39,633, this yellow line right there, okay? That's what it looks like we're heading at the moment. Hopefully, whales can kind of step in here around 42,000 and kind of bounce us back above that. But for now, it's not looking too promising. So, remember guys, shoulder, head, shoulder. Now let's zoom in here a little bit, guys. All right. We just broke down below a Fibonacci level, which means our next Fibonacci level support is going to be all the way down here at 38,587. Let's hope we don't get down here. Right now, what you guys got to think about, see this Gann fan right here? Our next level of support does match up here with this low at about 39,633. We could see a nice level of support here where we start to bounce back off. We're going to have to be watching that pretty carefully, because if we do fall down below this neckline, that gives us an opportunity to go all the way back down here to 37,000 and potentially all the way back down here to 33,000, which would be very depressing for a lot of people. So make sure that you guys are careful over the next few days, even the next few hours, to be frank, in case we take a big move down below this level of support here. And if you're looking to buy, I would buy on levels of support where the Gann fan and these levels of support right here are going to be, intersecting. So somewhere around the price, if it was today, somewhere close to like 40,000, or you might have a wick that comes down below it, because remember, it's not bad if it goes down below the price. It's really bad if it closes down. You can see it went down the day before, but what really set this off was it had to close one day, then stuff started to tank, excuse me. So for now, guys, you guys really want to be making sure that if you guys are buying, you guys want to be buying as close to these Gann fans as possible. Or if you don't want to do that way, buy close to the Fibonacci lines as possible. You can even wait to see if it'll come down to 38,696. What's most likely going to happen here to give you guys the best results is to be placing limit orders. Limit orders are going to be the key for this one, guys. As much as we want to, be awake during these times, sometimes stuff happens when we're asleep. I told you guys yesterday that Ethereum was going to fall down a little bit harder than Bitcoin, and you can see that Ethereum has come down a lot more than Bitcoin. Since 4 o'clock yesterday, Ethereum is down 5%. Bitcoin's only down about 1.5%. Okay, one last thing here, guys. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We're seeing a little bit of consolidation. Usually after a consolidation like this, we have a pretty decent drop. So just be aware of that, guys. There's going to be some volatility over the next few days. It's not going to be fun to watch. I completely understand that. But, it's just one of those times where you have to wait, pack some cash on the side. After it drops down a little bit, you guys will have ample buying opportunities, and that'll be good for the next bull run that we receive. Thank you again, everybody, and please make sure to subscribe. It does help out the channel a lot.